In this example, we will be finding the square root of 125. But before we do that, we need to review the following math concept, which is the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b, meaning that if we have two numbers multiplied by each other inside of a square root, we can separate out the square roots and then multiply those values. In order to apply this to 125, we will first need to review some of the factors of 125. In this example, I will choose 25 and 5 because 25 is a perfect square. And this will allow us to simplify in the future. Now we can rewrite the square root of 125 as the square root of 25 times 5. Using our math rule, we can then rewrite this as the square root of 25 times the square root of 5. Because 5 times 5 equals 25, the square root of 25 will be 5. Now we can rewrite our square root of 125 as 5 times the square root of 5. We can also estimate the square root of 125 by using perfect squares nearby. The first perfect square we can use is 11 squared, which is 121, and we can also use 12 squared, which is 144. We can see that 125 is between 121 and 144. We can therefore write the following inequality. The square root of 121 is less than the square root of 125, which is less than the square root of 144. Because 11 squared gives us 121, the square root of 121 will be 11. Similarly, because 12 squared is 144, the square root of 144 will be 12. We can now see that the square root of 125 is between 11 and 12. In order to find the value closest to the square root of 125, we will find the difference between 125 and our perfect squares by subtracting. So we will do 125 minus 121, which gives us 4, and then 144 minus 121, which gives us 23. We can therefore see that 125 is closer to 121, so the square root of 125 will be closer to 11. We can then estimate 125 as approximately 11.